Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am here to give a lecture on geography of the Muslim world. So here is chapter number 1. Students, all of you know that Muslims are scattered all over the world, but all the countries are not Muslim countries. So you can see here what are Islamic countries. Islamic countries are those countries that have declared themselves Islamic countries by their government, like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, etc. Other countries may have large Muslim population like India, but they are not Muslim countries, as I have told you earlier that Muslims are scattered all around the world. Islam is the second largest religion and the fastest growing one in the world. The graph here shows the estimated number of the followers of the four main religions in the world. You can see here that the Muslims are 21% of their population in the world, the Christians are 33%, Hindus are 14%, and the Buddhists are 6%, which is the lowest percentage. Now move on to the geographical features of the Muslim world. Most of the Muslim countries are located on the level land. After that, here are mountain ranges in the Muslim countries that are North Africa, the Atlas Range, and here are highlands present in the Ethiopia, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Eastern Turkey, and Iran. There is a highest mountain region which are called Hindu Kush and Karakoram. They are present in Afghanistan and Pakistan. So this was the geographical feature of the Muslim world. Now we will discuss the vegetation of the Muslim world. In the Muslim countries there are coniferous forests. The coniferous forests are the forests which are evergreen throughout the year. They have very hard trees. They produce dry and hard fruits, as you can see here in the pictures. Now these are deserts. You know that deserts are the area with high temperature and very little rainfall throughout the year. More than half of the area of the Muslim world is depend on hot desert, but except for Malaysia and Indonesia. These two countries are not included in the countries which are hot deserts. Some of the area of the Muslim countries is based on the oasis. As you can see here a picture of oasis. What is oasis? Oasis is a fertile tract in a desert. So this was the vegetation of the Muslim countries. Most of the people who live in these type of areas are called nomadic people, and their only occupation is rearing sheep and goats. This was about the geography of the Muslim world. So I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye, have a nice day.